National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, north central Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 3:45 p.m. At 3:09 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Prospect Valley, or 27 miles southeast of Greeley, moving south at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Prospect Valley around 3:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.